If Facebook ads feels confusing to you, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I will make it super simple. Hey everyone, this is Nazmul and welcome to my channel Marketing with Nazmul. Today, we are going to break down Facebook ads campaign structures in the easiest way to possible. If you understand this, your ads will become more organized, optimized, and profitable. Section 1, Big Picture. Let's start with the big picture. Facebook ads has three main levels. The main three levels is 1, campaign, ad set, and ad. Think of it like a tree. Campaign means root, ad set means branch, ad means leaf. Now let's break this one down. Section 2, campaign level. At the top we have the campaign level. This is where you choose your goal. For example, sales, leads, traffic, engagement. Simple rule: one campaign equal to one objective. If your goal is a sales, don't mix it with traffic inside the same campaign. Section 3, ad set level. Next come the ad set level. This is where the real targeting happens. Here you decide audience, age, location, interest, budget, schedule, placement as like the platform Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. Think of ad set as who will see your ads and how much you will spend. Example, ad set 1 equal to Bangladesh audience, ad set 2 equal to USA audience. Section 4, ad level. Finally, we have the ad level. This is what people actually see. Here you create image or video, ad copy, text headline, call to action button. This is where creativity matters the most. Section 5 is simple. Example, let's make it super simple. Campaign sales, ad set 1 equal to target men Bangladesh, ad set 2 target women Bangladesh. Ads, ad 1 video, ad 2 image. That's it, simple and clean. Section 6 is pro tips. Here are some quick pro tips as like don't put everything in one ad set, test different audience, use multiple creatives, always track performance. So yeah, that's the Facebook ads campaign structure, clean and powerful. If the video helped you, make sure to like, comment and subscribe my channel. And if you want more content like this, stay connected with Marketing with Nazmul. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.